Hey everyone. If you've been scrolling through beauty feeds lately, you already know. Artificial nails are having a serious moment in 2025. From glossy gel extensions to sturdy acrylics, and even press-ons that look straight out of a salon, today's high-quality fake nails are all about style, convenience, and self-expression. So why bother with premium artificial nails? Well, not all fake nails are created equal. Top-tier artificial nails last longer, feel stronger, and look way more natural. They don't chip easily. You get to play with endless shapes and designs, and, let's be honest, they're a huge confidence boost. Plus, they protect your natural nails from life's daily wear and tear. Let's break down the main types you'll see in 2025. First up, acrylic nails. These are made by mixing a liquid and powder that hardens into a super strong layer, perfect for dramatic lengths and bold art. Next, gel nails. These are cured under a light, giving you that shiny, natural look that's flexible and chip-resistant. Press-on nails have leveled up big time. They're quick, reusable, and come in tons of trendy styles. And let's not forget dip powder nails, which give you durability without needing a UV lamp. Now shapes. Coffin or ballerina nails are bold and edgy, while almond nails are super chic. Square nails keep it classic, and stiletto nails? Fierce and eye-catching. If you want something more natural, round nails are always a safe bet. When it comes to design trends, chrome nails are everywhere. Think metallic, futuristic shine. French ombre is a cool twist on the classic, and glitter accents never go out of style. Minimalist lines and 3D embellishments are also huge right now. Wondering which brands to trust? Kiss Products is a go-to for affordable salon-quality press-ons. Static Nails offer reusable luxury. Modelones has awesome dip and acrylic kits, and Beetle's Gel is a crowd favorite for gel lovers. Want to apply artificial nails at home? Just prep your natural nails, push back your cuticles, buff lightly, pick the right size, and stick them on with adhesive. Shape, file, polish, and boom! Salon vibes right at home. For the best results, treat your nails right. Don't use them as tools. Wear gloves for chores, apply cuticle oil daily, and refresh your top coat every few days. And always remove them gently to protect your natural nails. So, should you DIY or hit up a salon? DIY is affordable and convenient, especially with so many great kits online. But for next-level designs and extra durability, a pro salon visit is still unbeatable. Bottom line, artificial nails aren't just a beauty trend. They're a lifestyle accessory. With so many options, you'll find the perfect look for any occasion and budget.